Hello tech enthusiasts, today let's dive into the exciting addition to the rugged smartphone world, the Ulefone Armor X31 Pro. This is the first 5G smartphone in Ulefone budget-friendly Armor X series. Let's take a closer look at everything this impressive device has to offer. First, let's talk about the powers the beast. At its core, the Armor X31 Pro is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset built on 6nm process and clock up to 2.4 GHz. This processor ensures lightning-fast performance combined with the 5G connectivity and multitasking without a hinge. When it comes to memory and storage, the Armor X31 Pro doesn't disappoint with 8GB of physical RAM and additional 8GB of virtual RAM. You have a total of 60GB of memory for seamless multitasking. The 256GB of internal storage, expandable up to staggering 2TB, while the microSD card provides more than enough room for all your apps, photos, videos and games. The Armor X31 Pro features a large 6.56-inch screen with a stunning 120Hz refresh rate. This means ultra smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and an excellent gaming experience. The display's maximum brightness of 800 nits ensures perfect visibility even under bright sunlight. For entertainment lovers, the phone is a Widevine L1 certified, allowing you to stream your favorite shows and movies in HD on the platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and Disney+. Photography enthusiasts will love the Armor X31 Pro's versatile camera setup, the 64MP main camera and the 2MP macro lens for perfect capturing details, and the low light conditions. The 25MP night vision camera delivers clear and sharp images, ensuring no moment is missed even in the dark. As expected from the Armor series, this phone is built to withstand the toughest conditions. It's certified IP68, IP69K and mil-STD 810H, making it resistant to water, dust and accidental drops. Whether you are walking in challenging environments, hiking rugged trails, or simply dealing with the everyday mishaps, the Armor X31 Pro is designed to endure. The official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Hurry up and get your new Armor X31 Pro today at the promotional price, because now is the chance to get yourself this exceptional phone. So what do you think about this Armor phone? Does it have what it takes to beat your next rugged phone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.